What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. This is an unboxing video, and I want to make sure I got the exact name of it. The Ghost of Mtn Dew Voodew Past. And basically what it is, it's a 6-pack of the previous flavors of Mtn Dew Voodew. And you would think they'd have 2 of each flavor, but they're not. Let me read this to you. I haven't opened it yet, but you get 2 cans of the 2019 Mtn Dew Voodew, 3 cans of the 2020 Mtn Dew Voodew, and 1 can of 2021 Mtn Dew Voodew. Which is strange because I don't know why they did 2 of the one, 3 of the one, and 1 of the one. Why not 2, 2, and 2? That's what I would think you would think they would do. But I bought this directly from the Mtn Dew store, the Dew store. You're only allowed 2 per order, which I think that means you could probably order 2, one order, then order 2 in another order. Some on like Facebook has said that this is also available at Walmart and Amazon. I'm not sure if that is true. I do know it could possibly be, but I do know you can get it off the Dew store. I'm sure some people's buying off the Dew store and they're going to sell it on eBay, so it'll be on there too if you want to find it. But I did hear that they're getting low supplies of these. Now this is interesting. I heard about this, they're going to do this. Now I'm going to be very quick because this is mainly a box video, that they were going to do this back in like September. But there's no official announcement from Mtn Dew until, I think it was like a week and a half ago maybe, and they finally did an official announcement that they're going to do it. It went on sale the 24th of October. Today is the 27th, I believe. So I came in pretty quick. So I wonder why they waited so long, because Halloween's just around the corner. But anyways, I'm going to do another video talking about this. But I just wanted to mention that quickly. Let's unbox this. Here it is. And look at the... Come on, see that little thing there? Mtn Dew Voodew pack. I'm excited. I love the Mtn Dew Voodews. I'm happy this year they came out with a 0 sugar version. I actually have 1 can left of the 2021 one that I need to drink. I was saving it for a special occasion. Alright. One of these days I'm going to have a better setup so I can actually have this so you can see it better when I'm opening it. But here's the card that Mtn Dew usually puts with these special packs. And these are basically really a collector's piece, I think. Pretty cool. Here it is. Ta-da! And it basically looks how I expected them to look. Oh, look at that. Here's the 2020 version. Looks really cool. This is also the 2020 version. And this will also be the 2020 version. Ah, look at that. 2019 Mtn Dew Voodew. Oh, it's been so long. Look at that. This is the 2019. And they all have different colors and everything. That is awesome. And then here's the 2021. Alright, sorry for the word cut. My other memory card ran out. And this one's actually giving me trouble. So hopefully this works. But here it is. Basically. And where did I put the other one? Shoot. Wait a minute. Figure out where I put the other one. Oh, here it is. Has to be 2020. So you got 3 of 2020, and 2 of 2019, and then 1 of 2021. And I have no idea where I just put it. I'll tell you, it's one of those days, guys. Be right back. Okay, I actually still had it in the box. So here it is, one more time. 2021, 2020, 2019, and here they are. Now I'm going to review all 4 flavors again in one video, which will be up right after this. I'm going to film it. So I just want to show you this. An unboxing of the Ghost of Voodoo Past. Very interesting that they did it this close to Halloween. And how they did it where they did 3 cans of one, 2 of one, and 1 of the other. I'm actually glad they did this. I think they should do stuff like this more often. Bring back flavors like this. All the Voodoo flavors were amazing in my opinion. I liked every single one of them. So I'm glad to be retrying because once they stop selling them in the store, that's supposed to be it. I actually may pick up more of the 2022 Voodoo before it runs out because I really like it. And I'm so happy they got a 0 sugar version because I don't drink a lot of regular pop because I can't being a diabetic. And having a 0 sugar version means I definitely could drink more of it. Okay, just want to do an unboxing video of that. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody. Bye.